Okay, so this is Abra's video. As you can see, she's in the blind. Good girl. I'll be right back, baby. Stay here, okay? She's going to be locked up in the blind. It's the bathroom, and she has to wait for us. Okay. So, what we're going to do is we have 3 items to hide. We have her toy, her ball, and a treat. Which we'll just take a piece of her treat. Okay, so those 3 items. Okay, so let's hide this one. Let's hide it here. Okay. That's one area. Let's hide the ball. Guess we could hide it back here. And then the treat we'll hide outside. We'll hide it right there. You won't even be able to see it. See that? Okay. Now let's go get Abra. So we have one over there, and one outside. Let's see if she can find them all. You ready, Abra? You ready? Get your little paw in. Come on, Abra. Come on, find it. Come on. Let's go find your toys. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes, poor girl. Abra, you gotta go in the living room area. Over here. Abra, come find your ball. Come on, find your ball. Find it. No, not over there. Not one of those, Abra. It's a different one. Come here, girl. Abra. On this side. She's going to bring me a ball from her toy box. Oh, good girl. But that's not the one I need you to find me, okay? You got to find me a different ball. Okay? You got to look in this area. Find it. Find the ball. Come on. Come on. Find the ball. Come on. No. Not over there, girl. Abra. Abra. Keep looking. Oh, did you find it? Let's see. What you got? There it is. All right. Good job. Good job. Okay. Come on. Hey, let's go to the dining room and look for your toy. Let's look for your squeaky toy. This side. Over here. Abra. Come find your squeaky toy. Find it. Keep going. Good girl. Keep going. Come on. Find your toy. Find it, Abra. Find it. There you go. Good girl. Good job. Okay. Come on, let's go out on the porch and find your treat. Yes. Come on, outside on the porch. Come on. Let me sit all this down. Okay, come on. Let's go find your treat. Come on. Out here. On the porch. On the porch. There you go. Abra, leave the kitty cat alone. Find your treat. Come on, find it. Abra. Find your treat. Did you find it? Yep, she got it. All right, let me see. Okay.